Hey guys, so I've gotten a lot of messages since installing these lights on the side of my truck. One's right under here. Those lights are actually connected to a factory plug that's on the side of the frame rail. It's really designed for the King Ranch steps that have the lights on the ends, but the plug's already there on virtually all Super Duties, so you have the ability to plug them up to pretty much any type of light you want. The lights that I got are Parts AM or Partsam lights off of Amazon. They were a set of 4. I paid $30 for them, and they were really easy to install. All I simply did was screw them into the side of this little pinch weld right here, and once they were installed, I ran the wire through an existing hole. I connected both power and ground leads from both lights, and I ran them directly to the factory plug on the side of the truck. Once done being installed, I hit the back of it with some white paint just to seal up the holes. Once that paint dried, I used some rust inhibitor around it, and that's kind of that dark greasy substance you see around the edges. And that's just to repel water, keep water from getting into the connection and damaging the lights. So far they've worked exceptionally well. We've had a couple heavy downpours and no water condensation's actually built up inside of the housing, so I'm real happy with the performance. They're extremely bright. So these lights, when on at night when I'm entering the truck or exiting, illuminate pretty much the entire side of the truck, not just the steps themselves. They're very, very bright. They fade off when you actually lock the vehicle, which is nice too. It gives it a real cool effect. Once you lock the truck, all the other lights shut off, but then these lights slowly shut off over about a 3-second period. And that's mainly because of the factory plug that's already on the side of the truck designed to do that. But again, I've been very, very happy with these lights. So if you're interested in buying some for your own vehicle, you could probably install them on just about any truck you want or even car. If you wanted to do the same type of install as mine, I'm not sure if a Chevy or a Ram's going to have the same factory plug there. It probably won't, but it's easy enough to wire them to your parking lights, and they're not really going to draw enough current to require any type of additional relay. Anyways, I'll put the link in the description to the actual lights that I purchased. That way, if you want to buy them, you know where to go. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, everyone.